Hi friends! I'm Chef Danielle, or Miss Danielle, and we're here today with, what's your name?
Gabby.
Yay! So Gabby, today we are learning all about the letter P. And what is that?
Squash.
No, that's not a squash, that's a pear.
Pear.
It looks kind of like a squash though, right?
Can I peel it down?
Okay, so tell them what are we going to make today? We are going to make pear sauce. Now, you know what applesauce is, right?
Yeah.
And applesauce is yummy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, pears can do the same thing. Okay, so she's gonna peel it. So if you put it on the table, there we go. And then if you peel away from yourself. The way that we peel is we peel away from ourselves, right? Like that. So hold it there.
Okay.
Hold on. So you gotta hold it flat, flat. There we go. Okay, go ahead. You have to hold it flat, honey. Okay. There we go, yay. Yay. We always watch and be careful with our fingers. Wait, move your finger, okay?
It makes a little squashy.
It looks like a squash, it looks like a mini squash, but those are pears. And pears are sweet, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so pears, they taste sweet. And remember, like we're using all of our senses when we're cooking, so we get to use our hands and touch and feel. And then we get to also use our ears because we hear what kind of sound it makes, right? Pears can be a little firm, and then when we peel them, wait, no, okay. When they're firm, we have to see, look.
Okay. Okay, Mommy, I will do that. Okay.
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 Watch your finger.
That's.
Yep. Good job. Okay, so wait, Mom's gonna take one. I'll let you do that and continue to do it. Let me take one and do one, okay? See, we can always try a little. They're sweet, aren't they? So look, what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to cut it. And look, inside the pear,
Seeds.
it has a few seeds. And what happens if we take those seeds out and we put them in the ground?
They will grow up.
Pear tree. Isn't that cool?
And then there will be more seeds and more seeds. And then we can grow each day. And then we can pick them from the pear tree.
Yeah, you can, and then you're going to have more pears.
Yeah, and we can get to eat them all so their tummies can be yummy in their tummies.
So they can be yummies in your tummies.
Can I have some more?
You would like some more? I would love to cut you some more pears.
I'm going to eat all the pears.
Okay, but are we gonna save some so we can make our yummy pear sauce too?
I want that one to be for the pear sauce.
This one?
And you can share this one.
We're gonna share this one?
Yeah.
Okay, well here.
And the first piece.
I'll give you a piece. Pear. Tell our friends what it tastes like. Is it sweet? Yeah, it's yummy, huh? So look, and pear sauce is so easy to make, is we simply put the pears without their skin, right? We took the skin off. We cut them up into little pieces, and then we add just a touch of water, and then we put it, an adult puts it on the stove and they cook it.
Eat it.
You want to eat some more?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to eat all of that.
All of it? Oh my goodness.
And that one can be for the pear sauce.
Okay, take a piece. Can you help me put some of these pears in our pot? Pears in our pot. Woo! Okay, so let me wait. Just a second. We gotta cut them up a little. Okay, can you put some of those pears in there?
Those ones are to eat.
Which ones? Okay, well we'll eat some and then we'll also put some in the pot for our pear sauce. Right? And pear sauce is just as yummy. Sometimes people think it's better than applesauce, right? Did you know that you can do the same thing with applesauce? That you with apples, you just peel the skin and you cut them up and you put them in a pot with a little bit of water and then you cook them. And the apple gets so soft. It gets all soft and mushy. Can you show me how the mushy is? The mushy. And then we eat it and it's yummy, huh?
I want to eat it.
You want to eat it? Okay, take one more piece. Pears are yummy. Pears are yummy. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna finish putting our pears in here. Oh, and up. Yummy. Okay, so we're gonna finish our pears and then we're gonna cook them. And you're gonna come back and you're gonna see they're so amazing, our pear sauce. Okay?
Mommy.
1, 2, and she's my flipper.
No, I want to.
Look, Did you know, look, this is a pear and this is a pot. What do they both start with? P. We have a pear goes in the pot. A pear goes in the pot.
I'm gonna go somewhere else, okay?
What do you mean you're gonna go somewhere else?
I will be right back.
Wait, I have a question for you. Are you gonna go play while the pear sauce is cooking?
Yeah.
And then are you gonna come back and eat all the pear sauce?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. So we'll see you soon. Oh my gosh, the pear sauce is ready. Look, and look, it looks kind of like applesauce, right? Mmm, it's yummy. Pear sauce is just as good as applesauce, right?
Well, come on, let's play.
Wait, we're gonna go play? But isn't this yummy?
Yeah.
Did you make that?
No.
Yeah, you did.
Yes, I did.
Yeah, you made the pear sauce. Thank you for doing the pear sauce with me. We put our pears in the pot for the letter P. And yes, yummy, yummy, yummy. And hopefully you'll join us next week for the letter Q. Can you say Q?
Q.
Yes, so next week we'll be doing the letter Q. So we'll see you later, friends. Bye.